Hello all, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PyCharm on a Windows operating system. So you are going to download and install PyCharm version 2025.1 on this video, and then I am going to show you how to create very beautiful Python projects right on PyCharm. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues, you can always ask me on comment sections. So now to install PyCharm, you have to first simply go to favorite browser and to search over here PyCharm download. So that will show you this JetBrains.com. So just simply go to their official site. Here you will see PyCharm unified product, and then when you scroll down you will get this PyCharm community one. So in my next video I'm going to talk about PyCharm unified product, but for the time being let's use this PyCharm community. So this is totally free, so all you need to do is you need to just simply click on this download button. So thank you for your downloading, and our PyCharm is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm cancelling it. I'll just simply go to my download directory, and here is our PyCharm. So just simply double click on this installer. That will ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and there you go, welcome to PyCharm. So let's minimize our download directory and just simply click on next over here. Again click on next. So here you need to select all these different options, and then you have to click on next again. So it's going to create a JetBrains folder, totally fine. Click on install. So that's going to immediately start installing our PyCharm. You can see that our desktop shortcut is also created over here. So by the time it gets installed, I'll request you to also follow this playlist, that is cool Python projects. So here I have talked about the different Python projects like background remover from an image, or how to convert an image to a PDF, or how to create your very own QR code. So you can encode any data to a QR code. So if you scan this, you will be able to see our website's URL. So similar to this, you can create your very own, all those using Python. So even more projects like converting a text into handwritten one. So this is one of my favorite. Then even detecting human faces or animal faces. So it's going to detect all the human face in an image, or if it is a dog or a cat. So those animal faces also it's going to detect, and that too with just 10 lines of Python code. So I'll recommend you to watch all those videos, along with turning a text into realistic human speech. So you can watch all these videos, and I'm constantly posting new videos every week on this playlist, so I'll recommend you to watch this. I'm going to post all these links on our channel description, along with you'll get a detailed article also written on our official site. So all these links along with source code I'm going to provide right in our channel description. So here it's almost installed, and it is installed. So here it is telling whether you like to reboot your system now or you like to manually reboot later. I always recommend you to reboot your system now. So just simply click on this reboot now and click on finish to reboot your system. So after rebooting your system, let's again come back to this video. So welcome back. So after rebooting your system, you'll be again landed over to the desktop, and here you will get your PyCharm Community Edition desktop shortcut. So just simply double click on that shortcut to launch our PyCharm, and it has rightly launched. So this is the interface of PyCharm when you install it for the first time. Just simply click on skip import. Welcome to PyCharm. Let's maximize it, and here just simply click on new project, and here you need to give your project name. So let's give project name as my Python project, and let's click on this create a welcome script. And also here on Python version, when you click on that, you will get all these values on drop down. So if you are unable to see all these different Python versions, then I highly recommend you to install Python just by watching this video. Once you have Python installed, you will be able to see that path is rightly recognized over here. So that's why I'm telling you to install Python just by watching this video. And once you have that, you will be able to see that path. So just simply select that and just simply click on create. So that's going to start creating our Python project. So let's maximize it, and there you go. So here is our Python project. So here is our what's new on PyCharm. You can always read this beautiful article. So for that time being, let's close this, and we have a welcome Python script also opened and written over here. So that is in main.py. So you can remove all the stuff from here, and you can write your own Python code. So let's write something like print I love pizzas. So just simply write something like this and just click on the run button. It's going to immediately start building our project, and once when it gets successfully built, it's going to show you that output on your console, and you can start working on your all different Python projects. Something like you can add couple of numbers like this, print a plus b. So just click on the run button again, and you are getting that output also coming, right? 11. So that is 5 plus 6, 11. So simple summation of these two number, right? So in this way you can start working on your Python projects right on PyCharm. So you can practice all these projects that I've showed you on PyCharm. So that's going to be really helpful for you guys. So yeah, so that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.